Threat to the peace of Ukraine. They sought to dominate the fertile steppes and enslave Ukraine's people. Only the will and the pride of the Cossacks stood in their way.
Settled down, and our warrior Cossacks will
The dream of many Ukrainians was to be able to own their own property, to be part of the soil their ancestors fought for so many years. You may remember the story your Babka and Dido told you, how they came to Canada, traveling long distances from Canada, their Starei Krai. They brought with them a culture alive with color and tradition.
And when the pioneers
to the village
to break under the toils of this new land, they prayed to God in heaven above. How much more could they withstand? They placed holy crosses into the ground, and soon new strength to go on was found. Their faith had brought them another day. They'd get back on their feet and say, they'd say,
Cossacks sought to pass the skill of the sword and the horse to his young men. Unfortunately, sometimes the spirit of the ages cannot keep up.
From the time that our bard inspired us to strive for a better fate, it took many years, many sacrifices, many went to heaven's gate. And as I watched my father be laid to rest in this his, but not his land, I looked my boy straight in the eyes, and I'd pray to God he'd understand. I said, this was a faithful son of Ukraine. Remember and cherish this bond. And then my son looked at me and he said with a strength that seemed to come from a world beyond, he said,
Cossack will forever roam the steppes of his beloved homeland. We should not mourn his passing, for in his death we shall become stronger in faith and in culture. His fellow Cossacks are there to meet him, to greet him, and to ride to glory forever, where he can ride free. Let us celebrate in song and dance. Let us join Canada's national riding and dancing Cossacks and their hopak.
Hey!